What's up, dudes? So, welcome back. So, today I'm doing the American Heritage Girl Creed. Somebody asked. Alright, so, start off with, as an American Heritage Girl. As in, maybe, American Heritage Girl. I promise to be. I promise to be. And then it's gonna be like listing off things. So compassionate, helpful, honest, with an H, honest, loyal, perseverant, like keep going, also this, pure, I know it's also nice, resourceful, respectful, using two hands when signing respectful shows more respect. So it'd be responsible, and reverent. So yeah, that's it, but I'm gonna do it one more time all together. So, as an American Heritage Girl, I promise to be compassionate, helpful, honest, loyal, perseverant, pure, resourceful, respectful, responsible, and reverent. Alrighty, that's it. I hope it was very helpful, and that y'all liked it. Bye.